Song is Shadananam. This is a Virutam. It is a Hindu devotional verse song in Carnatic music concerts. They do not possess any talam and are slowly improvised using one or more ragams. It is one of the many forms of manodharma in Carnatic music. A Vritam usually precedes rendition of a song. In most cases, it is sung in the same ragam as the song that follows it. Occasionally, Vritam of multiple verses are sung in different ragams, followed by a song in the same ragam as the last sung ragam of the Vritam. The artist may also sing the same verse in different ragams in different concerts. Vritam is not only used in the concert but also in the traditional celebrations. Normally it is a praise of Lord Ayyappa, a famous god in the South India. It is also in praise of Lord Muruga. In Kannadam, it is called Ugaboga. Ugaboga are a few set of devotional lines by Haridasa of Karnataka. Ugabogas are more often sung in the Carnatic concerts before a Devarnama. Ugabogas contain the mudra of Haridasa. This Vritam is in Ragam Mohanam, Janya of 28th Madakarta Harikamboji. There is no specific talam and Vagyakara is also not known. Deity is Muruga. Language is Tamil. Arohanam. Avarohanam. Song.
வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு பக பாப்பா ஹர ஹரோ ஹரா பக பாப்பா Suna Rida Sadasa Rudrasya Suna Dasapadasa Surasainyanatam Dasariri Guham Sada Sari Aham Sarida Sharanam Sariri Prapade Gapada Sarika Goham Gagarika Sada Riga Sarika Sharanam Prapatti Gari Gabagari Guham Sari Sada Sa Sada Dasa Aham Sharanam Pagadasa Papade Padaga Padada Sharanam Prapade Gapari Sharanam Gapapa Prapade Pari Gapadasa Sada Sada Parapa Sada Gapa Gari Gari Gapada Sada Dasa Padasa